Do you want to unlock the full power of ChatGPT to supercharge your productivity and ignite your creativity? Whether you're looking to write faster, think smarter, or create like a pro, this ultimate step-by-step guide will show you how to master ChatGPT, even if you're a complete beginner. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll be using ChatGPT like an expert. Before we jump in, hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on future AI tips, tricks, and tutorials that can revolutionize the way you work and create. Let's get started. First things first, what exactly is ChatGPT? It's an AI tool developed by OpenAI that can help you with everything from answering complex questions to generating creative ideas. ChatGPT uses deep learning to provide you with human-like text responses. It's like having a personal assistant for writing, thinking, and brainstorming, all in one. Now let's get you set up. If you haven't already, head to OpenAI's website, create a free account, and you'll be ready to start chatting with one of the most powerful AI tools available today. Once you're logged in, here's what you'll see. A simple interface, but don't let that fool you. This tool can do so much more than meets the eye. Let's talk productivity. Need to write emails fast? Done. Want a detailed summary of a long report? No problem. ChatGPT can help you organize your day, plan projects, and even automate writing tasks. Here's an example. Let's ask ChatGPT to draft an important email in seconds. Now let's take it to the next level. Creativity. Whether you're writing a blog post, brainstorming content, or even generating story ideas, ChatGPT can fuel your creativity. Let's try asking ChatGPT to come up with 5 creative blog post ideas for a fitness website. Watch how fast it generates a list that could take hours to brainstorm manually. Now that you've seen ChatGPT in action, here are some pro tips to help you master it like a pro. Ask for clarification. If ChatGPT's response isn't quite right, ask it to try again or be more specific. Use follow-up prompts. Continue the conversation with follow-up questions to dive deeper into a topic. Experiment. Try out different prompts for creative, technical, and professional tasks. Don't limit yourself to just one use. Even AI can make mistakes. Here's what not to do when using ChatGPT: 2 vague prompts. Avoid one-word or overly vague prompts like, "help me." Be specific about what you need. Don't expect perfection every time. ChatGPT is powerful, but it's not infallible. Fact-check anything crucial. People around the world are using ChatGPT to transform their work and creativity. From content creators and business owners to students and freelancers, this AI tool is making life easier. Let's take a quick look at some real-life success stories where ChatGPT saved time, boosted productivity, and unlocked new levels of creativity. So, are you ready to unlock the full power of ChatGPT? Whether you're looking to become more productive or boost your creative output, ChatGPT is the ultimate tool for beginners and pros alike. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with different prompts. Final call to action. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AI tips and tutorials. Don't forget to drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions. What do you plan to use ChatGPT for? And if you want to master more AI tools, make sure to stay tuned for our next video. See you next time.